In this video, I am going to tell you that how can you know the save password of your phone which are saved to Google account. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. First, you have to open Settings and then scroll down to open Google section. Here, wait for the options to load. Now you have to tap on Password Manager. Now you can see all the saved passwords of your phone. In this section, you will also know about the usernames of your accounts as well, and user can change or edit the password, or even delete the password from this section of settings. So by this way, you can also know, edit or delete saved passwords of any Android mobile. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.